Hey there, this is Mike with Adventures in Flight. I hold in my hands a box. What could be in this box? What's in the box? What's in the box? Well, allow me to reveal the contents. Neo 2. Is that all? There's another one in here. Oh, look. It's the Avata 360. Oh my goodness. Santa has come early. We will get these set up and ready for individual flights. Stay tuned.